equal to 64, then a power of m times a power of n equal to a power of m plus n. So 4 power of t plus 2t equals to 64. 4 power of t plus 2t equals 3t equal to 64. Log 4 to the power of t equals to log 64. So log a the power of p equals to p log of a. Is general formula. Then 3t log 4 equals to log 8 power of 2, because 8 power of 2 equals to 64. Then 3t log 4 equals 2 log 8 over log 4 over log 4. Only 3t equals 2 into log 4 times 2 over log 4. 3t equals to 2 into log a p equals log a plus log p. Then log 4 over log 4 plus log 2 over log 4. 3t equals to 2 into, cancel by this, give us 1 plus log 2 over log 2 over 2. 3t equal to 2 into 1 plus log 2 over 2 log 2. Okay. 3t equal to 2 into 1 plus, cancel by this, give us 1 over 2. 3t equals to 2 into the whole 2, 2 divided by 2, 1, 2 times 2, 2 plus 2 divided by 2, 1 times 1, 1. 3t equal to 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. To cancel by 2, 3t equals to 3 over 3 over 3. The value of t equals to 3 divided by 3 give us 1. So the answer would be t equal to 1 is correct answer. Check it. Let me check it. Let me check it. 4 raised t times 16 raised t equal to 64. Why? The value t equals to 1. 4 raised 1 times 60 raised 1 equal to 64. 4 times 60 equals to 64. 4 times 6 24. 4 to 4 60 equals to 64. Then therefore t equal to 1 is correct answer. Correct answer.